Welcome to the world of Java, powering innovation. Today, we're diving into the incredible impact of Java, the programming language that has shaped our digital world and continues to drive innovation. Whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, you'll discover why Java remains at the heart of countless applications and systems. So what exactly is Java? At its core, Java is a powerful, object-oriented programming language designed for versatility and reliability. Why does Java matter so much? Because it's literally everywhere. From the apps on your phone to complex enterprise systems, Java is the backbone, ensuring seamless and robust performance. What makes Java so effective? It boasts several key features that contribute to its widespread adoption and enduring relevance. One of its most significant advantages is write once, run anywhere. This means Java code compiled on one platform can run on any other platform supporting Java without recompilation. This makes it incredibly flexible. Java is fundamentally object-oriented, meaning it organizes software design around data or objects rather than functions and logic. This approach makes code modular, reusable, and easier to maintain. Java is also known for its robustness and security. It incorporates features like automatic memory management and strong type checking, which reduce errors and enhance application stability, making it a trusted choice for critical systems. So where do we see Java in action in the real world? Its applications are incredibly diverse. Java is the dominant language for enterprise-level applications, powering everything from large-scale business systems to e-commerce platforms and financial services. If you have an Android phone, you're interacting with Java daily. It's the official language for Android app development, making it possible for millions of mobile applications. Java plays a crucial role in big data technologies, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things, processing massive data sets and connecting countless devices worldwide. From its humble beginnings, Java has grown into a cornerstone of the digital age. Its continuous evolution, vast developer community, and adaptability ensure its relevance for years to come, making it a future-proof choice for innovation. Ready to explore the power of Java for yourself? Whether you're building the next big app or scaling an enterprise system, Java is your reliable partner in innovation. Learn more and start your journey today.